Here we go, Millie. There we go. Do you like that? Do you like it? Woo! Nice and warm water. Nice and warm water. There you go. Look here. Look over here. Millie. Look. Yee! Nice! Mind your ears. We don't want the water to go into your ears. Now let's speed up the water a bit. You're such a good girl, aren't you? You're such a good girl, aren't you? You're such a good girl. Lift your tails up. Lift your tails up. Good girl. Good girl. Well done. Get the water underneath. There we go. Now, doesn't that feel good? Millie? Millie? Now, come on. Go on down. Go on down. Go on down. Go on down. Good girl. Okay.